What's kind of a bummer is I cannot take the dye box with us, so the cube has been sacrificed to the trash can. I am still very tired.
It's been over a month that I've been messing around with my Dye i5 mask, and I still love this thing. It's probably the most comfortable mask that I've ever used, and it really does a great job at protecting my face while I'll stay cool on the inside as I film gameplay. It's not the best mask when you're trying to look down a scope though. However, as you've seen, these are pretty popular in CQB. You can tighten or loosen these masks as you please to form to your head, and the lenses are swappable so you can get that right combo of colors to fit your style. I'm just really loving these, but I've been wanting one for a long while now, so I just wanted to share the love a bit. Links to where you can get one of these masks for yourself will be in the description down below. Also, be sure to head on over to my Instagram at USAirsoft YouTube to get yourself entered into my Classic Army microgun giveaway for the 90,000 subscriber celebration, which ends on May 17th. Just be sure to follow Airsoft GI and USAirsoft on Instagram and tag 5 friends on the post, and you'll be entered into the raffle. You should already know how crazy the microguns are to play with if you saw my review or shooting video I put out a while ago, so get yourself entered or tell some friends about the giveaway. Alright, I'm done with that stuff now that I should have went over a few days ago, so now it's time for the last portion of gameplay from USAirsoft's 8-year anniversary in Atlanta, Georgia. I've had so much fun filming at this arena, either that being in the store or in the gun range trying out some awesome guns like the Snowwolf M99 Barrett or the GMP Stoner 63. Wow. And that's with what, an 11-1? Or by just filming in the epic arena. The whole layout of the play area justifies the legend built around USAirsoft. Even the fans up top got my attention. Airsoft GI and Classic Army were the ones that made this trip possible by sponsoring this mini-series that includes 2 other videos from the 8-year anniversary, so be sure to check those out when you get the chance for even more action. I'll have to return without a doubt to properly go over this arena, but for now let's get into the last game at USAirsoft. One last game of Team Deathmatch featuring the SYG Airsoft team.
In 3, 2,
And that's it for my coverage of the 8-year anniversary of Sharpshooter Airsoft, or USAirsoft, in Atlanta, Georgia. I traveled, I met awesome people, gave away awesome prizes with Airsoft GI, and we captured awesome gameplay. That's the kind of stuff an airsoft trip should encompass. But next up, I have something in this box from Titan Power that should make my LiPo batteries nearly obsolete, and then I have gameplay from an amazing AO to show off, so be sure to keep an eye out for that footage. Anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed this series from USAirsoft. I'd like to thank Airsoft GI, Classic Army, these past commenters, the Notification Squad, and the first 300 people that liked every one of these videos. But until our next video drops from the city of San Antonio, this has been Scott Hollenbeck, and I will be sure to see you all next time.